Go ahead and read this math story.
Sarah had 32 crayons and Julie had 39 crayons. How many crayons did they have all together?
What is the story about?
About one girl has less and one girl has more
Less what?
crayons.
And the other one has more crayons?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I would like for you to just read the question now. Go ahead. It starts right here. How?
How many crayons did they have all together?
Could we use a place value chart to find out how many crayons they had all together?
Yes.
Want to try that?
Yes.
Okay. So we have, how many crayons does Sarah have?
32.
32. Okay, go back to the story. And how many crayons does Julie have?
39.
39. Okay. Okay, let's go ahead and represent 32 and 39, right? And then we'll decide what we're going to do with those. So let's use, look at this place value mat right here. Let's go ahead and represent 32. Can you go ahead and how would you do that?
Because
Get your base 10 blocks and go ahead and represent the number 32. Okay, and go ahead and put them here.
Because if you have
Mm-hmm.
3 tens and 2 ones, it's gonna be 32.
Okay. Now, should we represent the number 39?
Yes.
Go ahead and do that. 39. Go ahead and represent the number 39. How would you do that?
I won't do like this.
Okay, go ahead and put them on the mat.
Okay. Because if you have a 3 tens again, but if you change the ones to 9, it's gonna be 3 tens and 9 1.
Okay, let's take a look and see if you represented these numbers. So you have 32, and that was here. Let's count down and see if you have 32. Ready?
1,
10,
20, 30, 1,
31.
31, 32.
So you have 32. Okay, let's check and see if this is 39. Now you count on.
10, 20, 30, 1,
31,
32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39.
Okay, so you have 32, and then we also see you have 39. What are you going to do with those numbers? Go back to the story and see if you can figure out what am I going to do with these numbers.
This is the thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna think for the thing it says on the story,
Okay.
and I'm gonna think about this because Sarah has 32. I'm gonna put 3 tens and 2 ones,
Mm-hmm.
and because Julie had 39, I'm gonna put 3 tens again, but I'm gonna change it. I'm gonna change the ones to 9, and it's gonna be 39.
Okay. And then the question is, how many crayons do they have all together? So what do you need to do to find out how many crayons they have all together?
They have they have 3 tens right now, and if we have like 39, and we put 2 more ones, it's gonna be 40.
Well, let's check. Can we use the place value mat?
I
Okay,
think
let's take a look over here. You see how you have how many ones?
2.
And how many ones do you have here?
9.
9. Do you think we can fill this up and make it a 10?
Yes.
Go ahead. What do you need to take from here to make that a 10?
Only
Right.
1.
All right. So now you have how many here? How many ones?
10.
And how many ones do you have there?
1.
And how many do you have all together?
11.
11. Now, if you have 10 ones here, can you exchange that for something?
Yes.
For what?
I'm gonna change it for a 10.
All right, go ahead and do that.
I'm gonna change this like for right here.
So you're going to trade? Okay, set it down. And then where are these going to go?
They're gonna go here in the tent now.
Did you just trade them?
Yes.
Is this the same as that?
Yes.
Okay, so do we still need those?
No.
Okay, go ahead. Put them away. Yeah, that was a trade, right? And then go ahead and place this on the mat again. All right, all right. So now that you've done that trade, could we count and see how many we have all together?
Yes.
All right, go ahead and count and see what you get. Come over here and count. Use your finger. I want to see you tracking them. Go ahead, start here.
10, 20, 30, 40, 40, and
Do you want to try again?
no,
Yeah, start again. If you track it, that will help you. Go ahead, start here.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and there's one more one is gonna be 41.
So 70 plus 1 is 41?
Yes, because the one is right here.
Okay, let's try that again. So let's see. You say you had 4 groups of 10. Now, is it okay if we bring these groups of 10s over here?
Yes.
Go ahead, do that. Fill them in. Yeah. And then we're going to count again, right? Okay, now go ahead and count by 10s.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
And how about that one?
It's gonna be on the ones still.
So how many do you have all together?
71.
71. Now let's go back to the story. Can you go ahead and read the story again?
Yes. Sarah had 32 crayons and Julie had 39 crayons. How many crayons did they have all together?
So how many crayons did they have all together?
71.
They had 71 crayons all together.
Yeah.
Now, this place value mat, did that help you find the sum?
Yes.
It did help you find the sum?
Yep.
All right, so now let's use our sentence stem. Go ahead and read the sentence stem. Go ahead and read it.
The sum is 7 tens and ones is just gonna be 1 1.
So what is the sum? Put it all together.
It's gonna be 71.
71. So let's say it again. The sum is 71. Right. So all together the girls have how many crayons?
71.
Did you enjoy using this mat?
Yes.
You think it's going to help you?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know what you just did?
Yeah.
What?
This is the thing I did is counting by tens and ones.
You did count by tens and ones. And this was addition with regrouping. And you did an awesome job. Next time what we're going to do is side by side. We'll use the mat and also the algorithm, the number sentence.
Okay.
Are you excited about that?
Yes.
Excellent.